Hi, this is another recording on learning SQL on PostgreSQL, and we're going to start on chapter 4, which is about joins. In particular, we are going to look at cross joins for this one. So, joins for chapter 4. For the chapter 4, there are cross joins, inner joins. We'll do aggregate functions with inner joins, outer joins, etc. This video is going to focus just on cross joins, and there will be separate videos on inner joins and outer joins. I will not in these videos cover natural self or non-equi joins. All right, the use of joins or the reasons for joins is that relational database and normalization requires that you split up all the tables into separate sets. We break apart things that would seem to go together. Joins are a tool for bringing the data from those tables back together in a form that is meaningful for human readers. And we're going to look, as I said, at several kinds of joins, but this one will be specifically on cross joins. So a cross join is basically, it's a rare type of join that isn't used a lot, and in it every row of one table is matched to every individual row in a second table, and it basically creates every possible combination between two tables. And we're going to run this query in a moment, but first I want to show you another example. So in this case we got two tables, red, blue, and green, and these are the keys, and we have top, bottom, middle, and these are the keys. I didn't do the keys in the cross join, but red, blue, green all will be matched with top, red, blue, green will all be matched with bottom, and red, blue, green will all be matched with middle. This is basically each one of these here will be matched with every possibility there. So there are 9 possibilities. All right. So if we run this in PG admin, I'm going to do select employee key and position name. Okay, from employee. And we're going to do a cross join on job position. Okay, so cross join is the explicit words for joining this. And when I run that, I will get, there are 63 rows. All right, so one reason to know why is it 63 rows. Let's just do a quick select star from employee. And we're really interested in the count. So there are 7 rows in employee. And when we do select star from position, job position, typing is not my high point. So when we run it, there are 9 of them. So 9 times 7 is 63. One matched with every one will give you 63 results. I want to show another way to do a cross join, which works but can result in accidents. So I'm going to do select employee key, position name, from employee, and I'm just going to do a comma and say job position. This is an old school way of doing a cross join, but you can see that this could happen accidentally. We have the same 63 results. What if we were doing So I'm going to select person last name, and I'm going to do grant type name. Okay, from person, comma, grant type. And maybe you wouldn't want to do this on purpose, but it will match every person with every possible type of grant. And notice that it's displaying 1,000 rows out of 1,188 rows. It's a lot of rows. If your database had a lot of data, a cross join could actually crash it. Because if you think about it, if you have two tables with like 1,000,000 rows, that would be 1,000,000 times 1,000,000, or close to 1,000,000,000 rows that you would have, over 1,000,000,000 rows that you would have in your result. It's always a good idea to use the cross join so that you know that you are doing it on purpose. So I'm going to go back to the slides briefly, because one of the questions is, why would you do a cross join? So a cross join can give every possible combination of items. For example, it could show every possible combination of a menu and side dishes. It could show all the combinations of clothes and colors. It could help duplicate inventory across several stores. Despite these uses, it remains a rare type of join. Cross joins happen by accident more often than they happen on purpose, but they are a useful type of join and can be used profitably. You just have to be aware that you're going to get massive results if the tables are of any size. Couple things. I'm going to go back to talk just a little bit about what happens next time. Next time, the video will deal with inner joins. Alright, so cross joins are useful, but they're fairly rare. Inner joins, on the other hand, which we'll do next time, are the most common and most often used type of join. Alright, so next time.